You searched how to buy shares of Avanza Bank Holding AB. Avanza is a Swedish online bank listed on CBOE EU under the ticker AVANZ.ST. This guide is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an official ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AVANZ to find the listing. Make sure you select the correct Avanza Bank Holding AB result. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it matches Avanza Bank Holding AB. Verify the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker AVANZ.ST. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next open, and if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add money before it confirms. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to visit the platform.